press 1, please?
Oh, well, after we get up, we go
Okay.
down.
Oh, does it?
I think they say you can start on the roof on the 7th floor.
Oh wow, what a view. Take that back.
I guess you're not from Durham, right?
Actually, I was born here. I actually live out in the country.
Nice, nice.
Well, y'all have a good day.
Thanks, you too.
Thank you. It's alright, it's on now.
I think I know the owner of that car, the red.
Well, that one
with the red stripe for.
Going down? Alright, coming down by.
This is the ground floor.
Sorry.
Thank you.
All the shore is going ashore.
And temperature.